Morning everybody, thanks for joining me again. Well, I'm in Brixham Harbour and just a short video, but we've had a bottlenose dolphin here for about 3 weeks, so I thought I'd come down this morning to see if I could film it and get any decent photographs. So let's see what we find, shall we? So they think it's a male bottlenose dolphin and it's been hanging around this red buoy most of the time. I've watched it this morning doing a bit of fishing, following a few boats. And just at the minute, looks like it's having a bit of a rest, having a bit of a sleep, just by the buoy. Anyway, hope you enjoy this film. Well, I really was concentrating on filming the dolphin rather than taking photographs. So this frame is actually taken from the video. I was filming at 25 frames per second and with a shutter speed of 1/50th of a second, which gave this quite nice blurred effect showing the motion of the dolphin just riding the bow wave. But when I did start taking photographs, this was typical of what I got. The dolphin was more interested in just chasing after a few boats and having breakfast. Watched for about an hour as it swam around the outer harbour at Brixham, just chasing after fish. And when it was attracted to the boats, it seemed to be more the sailboats and yachts it liked to follow. So these two photos were taken at 600mm, shutter speed of 1/1000th of a second, f6.3 and an ISO of 160. So after breakfast and having chased a few boats, said hello to its friendly seal, the dolphin seemed to just like to hang around the buoys at the end of the breakwater, and spent quite a lot of time just resting by this red buoy. But that meant I was able to get a couple of close-up shots. And it's quite nice to see the detail in the face of the dolphin. Again, I was all the way out at 600mm, thousandths of a second shutter speed. For those among you who are interested in the photography. A great morning spent just photographing him. Well, that's it for now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like. And as always, I'll see you again next week. But for now, cheerio. It's right in front of the boat. Yeah, right in front of the boat. You'll see it come out in a minute. It's swimming underwater. There it is.
Oh wow!